Hi, my dear student. Today I'm going to read the words of the text on page 22. The text on page 22. At the beginning, I'm going to read the words. Arrive, arrive, يصل. Royal Automobile Museum, Royal Automobile Museum, متحف السيارات الملكي. motorbike دراجة نارية. learn يتعلم. the oldest الأقدم or الأكبر سنا. collection مجموعة. more than أكثر من. 100 مئة. fast سريع. the fastest الأسرع. powerful قوي جدا. summer الصيف. lamb لحم الخروف. airport مطار. all كل. look for يبحث. Okay, now I'm going to read the text. الآن بدي أقرأ القطعة. Okay, yeah. القطعة اللي موجودة عندي page 22. Okay, read and complete. We arrived at the Royal Automobile Museum. At 5 to 10. It's 10 o'clock now. And the museum is open. We're going to see all the cars and motorbikes. We're going to learn about the oldest car and the oldest motorbike in the collection. The oldest car is more than 120 years old. The oldest motorbike is more than 100 years old. We're going to look for the fastest car. And for the fastest motorbike in the collection. The fastest motorbike is very powerful. The fastest car in the collection is faster than the fastest motorbike. Okay, now let's see the questions. We have additional questions. في عندي أسئلة إضافية على هاي القطعة أو شرح لهاي القطعة أسئلة. At the beginning, what are they going to see in the museum? ماذا سيشاهدون بالميوزيوم? They are going to see all the cars and motorbikes. Okay. How old is the oldest car? كم عمر oldest car أقدم سيارة? It is 120 years old. 3. How old is the oldest motorbike? It is more than 100 years old. Number 4. What are they going to look for? What are they going to look for? عن ماذا سيبحثون in the museum في المتحف؟ They're going to look for the fastest car and for the fastest motorbike. عن أسرع car أسرع سيارة and the fastest motorbike. Number 5. Which is faster? The fastest car or the fastest motorbike? Which is faster? مين الأسرع؟ The fastest car أسرع سيارة في المتحف or the fastest motorbike ولا أسرع motorbike؟ الإجابة the fastest car. هلا number 6. Where did they go? وين ذهبوا هم في البداية؟ They went to the Royal Automobile Museum. The Royal Automobile Museum. When did they arrive? When did they arrive? متى وصلوا؟ They arrived at 5 to 10. They arrived at 5 to 10. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for listening to me.